Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Today I'll be doing a huge recap on my day trading progress. It's been a little bit over a month, and actually this marks my 5th green week of day trading, and I'll go into how I was able to achieve that, what I've been studying up on, and let's look at a couple of sample trades, how I played them. Let's get into it. So actually I've been posting all my trades and recaps on my Instagram, so if you aren't following it, head over to pinnacletrading.us on Instagram, or look at the description for the link below, and you'll be able to join using that link right there. And I posting all my trades every single day, and I'm also posting it in my community right here as well, so you can see all my trades, a little bit of analysis on the recap, and basically what trade it took, and I just a little description on that. So if you are not following me on Pinnacle Trading social media, make sure to head over to that and follow me on there. Again, let's get into the trades. So I took UVXY trade on Friday, and that played out very nicely. It was a little shaky start in the beginning, but I came out with green. So again, I posted my last video on 4 weeks of green, and this week it actually marks my 5th week of green day trading. So the trade I took was UVXY on Friday. I took my initial entry at around 39.6. You know, I wanted to see that break a rewap, which it didn't, and it came down a little bit. So what happened, I took a small size because I was green for the earlier of the week, so I took smaller size in the beginning and added as it came down, and as soon as I saw a reversal, I stayed in, I waited for the pop, sold about half my position, waited a little bit for the next pop, and I sold my next position. So this was a little bit risky play, but again, I've seen the pattern on this one. That's why I got 2 solid days on UVXY. So Friday I got that trade right there, and then Thursday I got that nice bigger profit there. And how was I able to do that? Because I've noticed a pattern on the 5-day 5-minute. So this is really important. This is something you want to note down. It's really important to identify the weekly or the monthly pattern, what is going on, at least for the past 3 to 5 days. So is it coming down and going up, or is it just continually going down as markets are going down? So this correlates with the VIX, correlates with volatility. So not just if markets go down, it goes up. It's volatility. So when markets are going up and down, they're having big jumps up and down, that's where volatility goes up. Again, it's self-explanatory. Volatility, if you don't know what it is and how the VIX works, just Google it, and it's pretty simple. Opposite of this one is SVXY. So basically what I did on Friday was identify the pattern that every time it was getting below that 40 and touching that 39, it was making that reversal. So that's exactly what I saw here. And looking at the previous day low, it was at around 39.6. So as soon as I saw it break that low, what happened, I added more right there on the position of the low. Also saw MACD and RSI way in the oversold region. So what happened, I took my final position on that one. So I added 4 chunks of 50 shares, and so added as it went down slowly, and as soon as it came up, went over my break even, I sold a little bit for profit, and then I sold a little bit more on profit on the next candle, and got out and called it a day, and that was it. I was done for the week and could enjoy my weekend. So that was my trade on that one, and that I did the same thing on Thursday as well. Again, I saw it coming down, I waited a little bit more on this one. My entry was at around 40.6. I waited a little bit as it came down to 40.5 test. It didn't come down all the way down there, so I'll add a little bit more. Saw the bullish engulfing candle and saw it go up, make that little test, make that consolidation, and then make that bull flag, and then make that huge run up. So I waited for that VWAP break, and I sold right there, 2/3 profit, and I waited a little bit on the next candle, and I sold a little bit more, and that's it. I was out on that one. Again, it ran up all the way to 42.5. I could have set a trailing stop, but it's really important to take profits well, when you see them, at least in the beginning, and then have a small set of small position that you can ride up with the trailing stop. That becomes more advanced, and as you become more advanced day trader, you'll be able to use those strategies, and that's where it keeps you from selling early or cutting the losses too fast or staying in the trade too much. So that's pretty much some sample trades that I took, and again, I'm posting all of them on my Instagram. So head over to pinnacletrading.us on Instagram and follow me on there, and I'm also posting all my trades on YouTube. So next thing I want to show is my CME trade. So again, this is an investment, but I want to show you why I added to this position on Friday. So let's look at this one. I have a bunch of alerts on this one, so ignore those yellow lines. But I'm seeing this right here, looking at the 160 as a big support, and looking at it right here, again, we're seeing that huge sell-off. We're seeing the red candles get smaller right here. So that indicates a consolidation period. So you can see that tried to fake up and go up, but it couldn't break over that 165 area. Came down again, tested that low, broke it a little bit more, and then made a huge nice volume run up on Friday. So also got that breakout alert. So added at around 163.1, 163.2, and it ran up all the way up to 164.91. So I'm looking for this run up to continue next week into April and into May. So I'm looking, so average down, my average is about 168, 169. So I'm looking for this to run to 170 from here on. Again, it's not that far away from 170. And again, by the end of the year, I'm looking for that 190, 195 test. It maybe could even break all-time highs by the end of the year. But realistically, I'm looking more at around 185 to 190 test right here. Again, where did I see that support? And why did I see the support at the 160 area? That's because of the Fibonacci. And if you remember, you do get the script for free. So that's a Fibonacci script that I use. So looking at this, you can see that 162.5 is a big Fibonacci support right there. So that's, sorry, right here, a 165.1. And I'm mainly looking at the yearly chart. It's at that 161.5 area right there. So looking at the yearly, seeing that huge support right there, and that's exactly where it bounced off of. Look at these candles right here. That's the big thing you want to look at when you're swing trading and investing. See where the Fibonacci, where it's bouncing off of, and that's where it shows you solid support. And if it breaks below, and you want to be getting out of that trade, and maybe wait for the next Fibonacci support test. If not, get in, and that's where you see the consolidation and make the reversal. And then as soon as it breaks that next reversal resistance right there, then that's where we see the reversal breakout continuation. So I teach all these in my mentorship program. If you want to check that out, it's a live one-to-one training, and also it's a simplified plan custom to you. So it's not for everyone, it's especially for you. So based on how you trade, I look at how you trade and what type of trades you took before, and we talk about how, if you wanted to go to day trading, swing trading, investing, whichever type you want to trade, I'll create a custom plan for you and how you should be trading, and also teach all these advanced trading techniques, different risk management plans that you can use, stop loss plans, etc. So I'll go over that at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So this is my analysis on CME. I'm looking for this 170 test by end of April, and again, by the end of the year, I'm still looking for that all-time high test, but realistically between that 185 to 190. And looking at SPY, SP 500, again, right now we're seeing that futures make that huge jump up, and we're seeing it on 284.45 area. Let's see if it can hold up in the morning, but there's some talks on China trade deal news and such, so let's see if it can hold up and what happens tomorrow when markets open. So that is my day trading recap of 5 green weeks of day trading. Again, I'm posting all my trades on this one, and my Instagram, on my YouTube, and also in the chat room in the winning trades, all the trade recaps as well. So again, I'm trading mainly UGAS and DGAS, the natural gas, but I'm also taking some trades here and there. But I found this one to be very nice. Again, volume is slowing down a little bit as we're heading into spring and summertime. So if you are watching this later on, or if you're watching this, maybe way in the future, it depends on how natural gas is moving according to the weather and time of the year. So again, it's slowing down a little bit, so I might be moving to gold or some other ETFs, or even just take SPY, UVXY, Visa, and those type of other trades. But I'm mainly trading these natural gas alerts, and these are free for everyone to be a part of, and I have the chat right here, and the natural gas alerts right there. And the rest, again, if you want to join the chat room, head over to pinnacletrading.us and scroll down to join now for 1 week free trial. And if you do want to join the membership, click on the membership tab. We have simple month-to-month plan pricing for the options, long-term investing alerts, day trading alerts, etc. That's our monthly plan pricing. We also do have 6 and 12-month plans. And also, if you are interested in the mentorship program, like I just talked about earlier, that's where I teach you how to trade on all types of trading, investing, etc. Trading strategies, trading setups, risk management, etc. And that is a custom plan to you. Again, I teach one-to-one live, so you can ask me questions about trades that I've taken or ask me questions live. So that is the mentorship plan that I offer. If you are interested in that or the membership plan, send me a message in the chat room for 20% off and just mention this video and that you're interested in joining, and you'll get that 20% off. And I hope you have a great weekend, and thank you for watching my video on my day trading success so far, and I hope to continue and hope that you guys are having great success as well. And I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video.